today I'm gonna be doing get ready with me. Okay, I got all my tools sitting here. I got my makeup bags. Shit, I got my laptop because I'm not gonna really be talking during my get readies with me because I don't be knowing what to say and I get distracted and I start doing dumb shit. So I don't talk during.
Here we go. Ooh, shawala wala. Ooh, shabang bang.
Okay, so boom. First, I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. I usually use my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow dip. And to conceal them, I use my LA Girl concealer. Now, for some apparent reason, my eyebrows always start off uneven. I guess it's because my eyebrows are naturally uneven. So I'm gonna try my best to fill those in as even as possible and make them look as natural as possible. So LA Girl concealer, and I'm going to be placing it under my eye before my foundation just because it gives it a little extra coverage because I have a lot of dark spots and little wrinkles because I stay up all night. And I'm going to be taking my orange cover up concealer from LA Girl, and I'm going to be taking that and I'm going to be placing it on top just because, I don't know, it gives it really good coverage before the foundation because I have oily skin, so I usually don't use full coverage foundation. So this is what I do, and you know. Okay, y'all, don't mind the little dances or whatever, because I was getting it in. Yeah, I don't know what song I was listening to, but it must have been something good. Anyway, you gotta blend. If you don't blend, your mama a hoe, so blend. Next, I am using one of the foundations that I used for this look, which is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. It's really good for oily skin. I got it last winter at the Black Friday sale. Okay guys, so I'm so guilty at mixing foundations, which is so awkward because this is one of my major pet peeves. But in this case, I had to. This is, it just makes me cringe, but I had to. So I mixed my other foundation with my Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation Stick in the color of Warm Walnut 7.5. I did this because my skin is going through a transition where it's changing colors, and I had to mix my winter foundation, unfortunately, with my summer foundation, and I don't have the same winter foundation or the same summer foundation, so you just put them together, whatever. You see how I did that? You see how I said boom right in the camera? You know why? Because, bitch, this is my favorite concealer. What? NARS? NARS Creamy Concealer. What? That shit blend. Let me tell you, boo. If you ain't using NARS, then what you doing? What you using? Why you doing that to yourself? Why you settling? Don't settle. Use NARS. That's my shit. Now I'm about to contour with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit that I got from TJ Maxx for $15. I swear to God, y'all can get the best makeup at TJ Maxx for the cheapest fucking prices. I just put y'all on. Okay, y'all, now it's time for me to bake. I'm going to be using my J-Cat Pro Luxe baking powder in the color banana. I usually bake before I do my eyeshadow just because by the time I'm done with my eyeshadow, then my makeup should be set. I look like Pookie from New Jack City. So while my setting powder is setting, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me, I guess you can call this pressed powder, just to finish off my contour in the color 360 Mocha. It's really good. I have no complaints about it, so use it. So recently I learned that some drugstore products are just as good as the expensive products. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my Maybelline In the City Mini Palette. And it's so good. Oh my God, can you see this fucking pigment? Bitch, catch this beat. Alright, hey y'all, so I'm back. Okay, so my phone was dying, and sad fucking case. So while it was dying, I couldn't really do much, so I just did my lips and I put my eyelashes on. And right now I'ma just do did I say I did my lips? I lied. I did my hair and I put my eyelashes on. So now I'm gonna do my lips because they kind of dry and crusty, and then I'm gonna show you guys my outfit of the day. So this is my outfit for today. It's just a basic champion hoodie, and I'm gonna probably put on my Timbs with it. It's raining outside today, so I really don't want to do like too much. Just something cute, you know, basic, but I've already said that, so yeah, whatever. But I got this hoodie from Urban Outfitters. The hoodie was about $50. So yeah, thank you for watching. Click the subscribe click the subscribe button down low, and please follow all the social medias that are listed. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I love filming for y'all. So yeah, that's it, and see you guys next time. Bye.